Alright guys, we're adding a tool to the tool bag for the install truck here. It's actually a personal tool, but it's ideal. Little ripper stripper. Got some instructions here. It's pretty plain and simple. Put the little hook on. Back. Bam. Take this razor side right here. Oh man. That cuts that off. Pull down. Strip. Strip. Round in. Give her a spin. She's ready. Put a screw through. Power her up. Fabulous tool, man. Do not use on live circuits. Common sense. Ideal. You get it from Home Depot. Couple bucks, man. I think it was like $6. Cheaper than a regular wire stripper. More convenient than a regular wire stripper. Hands down will be in the install bag. Get you one, baby. Get you one.